Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to show you how to make a play on s'mores. We're going to make s'mores pie. So the ingredients you're going to need are Ready Crust graham cracker mini pies, Hershey's chocolate, well that's what we used, and mini marshmallows. So there's your Hershey's chocolate and your mini grahams and your mini marshmallows. So what I did was I lined a baking sheet with parchment paper, preheated the oven to 350, and assembled it, which is a graham cracker crust, as you can see right there. So the graham cracker mini pie is your base. And yes, they come with a little plastic cup thingy protecting them so they don't break.
So make sure to take them off.
Yeah, make sure to take that off, otherwise you're going to be eating plastic. Not a good thing. So you put the mini pie crusts on the baking sheet. We used the XL big bars, so that's why I'm breaking it in half. So I used two pieces, but 4 halves in each pie crust. They're a little hard to break. I believe actually I had stuck it in the freezer, so they're even harder to break if you stick it in the freezer. So then you top it with your mini marshmallows.
So just take a handful and sprinkle them on.
Yeah, pretty much. Give or take. And lose a couple along the way. You know.
Yeah.
And eat a couple along the way. Although I don't think I did. So...
Can you do more than 3 on a pan like this?
Yeah, you can. Baking times are the same. It doesn't matter how many you decide to do. The baking time is still the same.
So right now we're preheating the oven at 350.
Yep.
Okay.
Sprinkle some mini marshmallows on the parchment paper. You know, all of that good stuff. And of course, if you want to eat the last couple of pieces of chocolate, you're more than welcome to do that too. So, as we said earlier, preheat the oven to 350. Pop your little marshmallow things in the oven. I guess I should have said s'mores things. Bake it for 7 to 9 minutes. Or, sorry, 7 to 10. I decided to do 9 minutes. Pull the baking sheet out of the oven, making sure not to burn yourself. I'm notorious for that.
And they're done, right?
And then there you go. Enjoy. So I do have one other tip. I did find out that you can take it out of the metal baking cup and eat it just like a pie, but be careful. It will break.
Okay. And they're probably a little hot.
And yes, they are hot. So maybe let them sit for 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, that'll just about do it. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and we will see you again soon.